Have you tried kibbeh in an air fryer? It's super easy and delicious. Let's start by adding a bit of oil to a pan. Then add 5 crushed garlic cloves and 1 diced onion. Let it cook until it starts to brown. At this point, we'll add the chicken. I'm using chicken thighs, but you can use any part you prefer. Give it a quick stir. Now I'll season it with some sweet paprika. Add a bit of black pepper and salt to taste. Let's mix everything again. Now just let the chicken brown. Meanwhile, in our air fryer, we'll add our kibbeh. I use sliced kibbeh on a tray here. Once that's done, close the fryer. Set it to 180 degrees and cook for about 5 minutes or until it's crispy. Look how our kibbeh turns out crispy and not soggy at all. Next, with our chicken now golden brown, let's add all our kibbeh. Then we'll add water until it starts to cover the ingredients. After adding the water, we'll stir it very well. Now just cover it and let it cook. And here we have the perfect consistency. Look how incredible this chicken with kibbeh looks. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha, sending you a big hug. See you next time, and thanks for watching.